Hey, welcome back again. In this video, I'm showing you guys 3 different ways you can style your wigs. And this first style obviously is simple, it is just the middle part. But if you want to add some flavor to your middle part, you could add some curls to the ends of the wig like I did with mine. And now for style number 2, it is a side part with a swoop. Very simple. I use my wax stick and hot iron to make the hair flat and sleek. You could also add your mousse for extra slickness, and then some bobby pins on the side to hold the hair behind your ears if you want to do that. Okay, now for style number 3, I don't know what to call it, but you're also doing a swoop. That swoop is gonna go to the back, and there will be like a very small high ponytail. And that is the style. You also just need your mousse, wax stick, and hot iron or hot comb to make sure that everything is staying flat, nice, and sleek. Now that I have my very tiny ponytail going on, I like to go around with just like a strand of the hair to cover that rubber band and also potentially make the hair more tighter on the ponytail. So okay, that wasn't the best ponytail, but you get the gist of it. And that is style number 3. Now you just use the bobby pin to hold that swoop and take the other hair to the front, and now you're looking like a little Barbie doll. If you stayed to the end, congratulations, you do not have a short attention span. But thank you for watching this video, and if you liked it, make sure to subscribe if you haven't done that already. Leave a comment, let me know which of the styles you will be trying. They're all pretty, so but I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, stay safe and be blessed. Bye bye.